Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. A foldable mattress can fold up into sections for simple storage when not in use. Foldable mattresses are a must-have for those who frequently travel, go camping, have sleepovers, parties, or large families that stay over around the holidays. When it comes to shopping for a foldable mattress, quality is key. The best foldable mattress is comfortable, supports your back when you sleep, and is easy to move and carry. Some even come with a carrying case to make mobility easier. This guide aims to help you find the best foldable mattress for your needs. Before choosing a foldable mattress for your home, take a few minutes to educate yourself on some important shopping considerations to keep in mind.
Number 3. American Furniture Alliance Hide-A-Mat Junior Mattress.
Designed for portability, the American Furniture Alliance Junior Twin Trifold mattress comes with a handy carrying strap that attaches directly to the mattress. The 3.5-inch thick polyurethane foam is more than enough comfort for sleepovers and spillover from parties, giving your guests a soft place to lay their heads. The Trifold twin mattress measures 75 inches x 30 inches when laid flat and 30 inches x 25 inches folded up. While the mattress doesn't come with a warranty, it does have a price that is easy on the wallet.
Number 2. Best Price Mattress 4-inch Trifold Mattress Topper.
The Best Price Trifold Memory Foam mattress is a great option for mobility because it is able to fold up into just 39 inches by 26 inches due to its slim 4-inch thickness. However, you still get great sleep on the 1.5 inches of memory foam that forms the top layer of the mattress, and 2.5 inches of high-density polyurethane for the firm base. The Twin XL Trifold mattress lays flat at 80 inches by 39 inches and comes with a poly jacquard machine washable cover and slip-proof bottom to prevent the mattress from moving during use.
Number 1. Milliard Trifolding Mattress.
The Milliard Queen Trifold Memory Foam mattress is a perfect option for a guest room doubling as an office, with folded dimensions of just 58 inches x 26 inches, allowing you to tuck it away in the closet when not in use. The Queen Trifold mattress is 6 inches thick, made up of 1.5 inches of memory foam for the soft top layer, and 4.5 inches of high-density polyurethane foam for the supportive base. The foldable mattress comes with a jacquard cover that can be removed for washing, and an anti-slip bottom to prevent the mattress from sliding out from under you while you sleep.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.